In this lesson, we are going to take a look at layer settings in viewports. One of the advantages of drawing with viewports is the ability to treat layers differently in each viewport. Currently, I have two views of this drawing, and in the second view, I wish to turn off the text. If I were to use on-off or freeze-thaw, it's going to freeze those or turn them off from model space, which in turn turns them off in all viewports. Next to the freeze button though, I have freeze or thaw in the current viewport. So if I go ahead and make this viewport current by double clicking in it, I can then click the drop down list and choose freeze thaw in current viewport. And as you can see, the text is only frozen just in this one individual viewport. You can also further modify layers in viewports by getting into the Layer Properties Manager. As I look at all the columns, I have several columns for color, line type, and line weight, but I also have specific ones for the viewport. I'm going to expand my layer names here so that I can see them. And what I would like to do is to modify the layers for the proposed shed and the proposed concrete pad here, but only in this view. As you can see, they currently have a maroonish color and a hidden line type. I'm going to change them to be gray and solid. So under the VP color column, I'll choose the color for building proposed and choose gray and OK. Then I will choose viewport line type and select continuous and OK. Then I will go ahead and do the same thing with the concrete proposed. Once more, I'm going to go gray for the color and continuous for the viewport line type. Notice that overridden layers appear in a different color in the Layer Properties Manager. This can be modified in the settings of the Layer Properties Manager if yours is not showing this way. If I go ahead and close my Layer Properties Manager, then we can see the effect out here. Once more in this viewport, the text has been turned off, and I can see that the proposed concrete and proposed structure have both been changed to be gray and solid. That concludes this lesson on working with layers and viewports in AutoCAD.